Some lies are so organized that you can see the machinery behind them. The videos currently circulating on Indian media channels regarding Azad Jammu and Kashmir are the latest example of that machinery at work. Lie 1. Turning Karachi into Kashmir. The video being broadcast by Indian channels as police firing on civilians in Kashmir is not from Kashmir at all. It is from Karachi.
You see, these are the Pakistani forces, Pak Rangers and the policemen, and these are Pak Army personnel also. Gusiman Singh. Gusiman, we are watching how Pakistani Rangers are they're firing.
Around 3 months ago, during the attack on the US consulate in Karachi, police carried out aerial firing as part of their response operation. The exact same footage is now being repackaged and presented as evidence of events in Kashmir. The proof is publicly available. The deception does not stop there. Old footage from Lal Masjid has also been recycled and linked to ongoing events in Azad Kashmir. Videos from unrelated incidents, different cities and different time periods are being stitched together to create a narrative that simply does not exist. Lie 2. PTI social media opened the door. The most revealing part of this story is that many of these videos did not originate in India. They were first circulated by PTI-linked social media accounts. For political gain, distorted images and misleading videos were pushed into the social media by domestic actors. Indian propaganda outlets merely picked them up and amplified them. When false narratives are already being manufactured from within Pakistan, hostile foreign media no longer needs to do the hard work themselves. The propaganda pipeline becomes self-sustaining. Those who spread misinformation for short-term political advantage rarely consider how quickly that material can be weaponized by those openly hostile to Pakistan. The JAAC factor and narrative building. The Joint Awami Action Committee has been declared a banned organization by the government of Azad Kashmir under anti-terrorism laws. According to the notification issued by the Home Department, the organization has been involved in terrorism-related activities and has engaged in actions considered harmful to the peace and security of the state. Yet despite this, Indian media outlets have consistently promoted JAAC's narrative, portraying the movement as the authentic voice of Kashmiri freedom. India seeks to magnify Pakistan's internal disagreements on the international stage, portray Azad Kashmir as unstable, and create the perception of widespread unrest. If achieving that objective requires broadcasting false videos and misleading claims, Indian media has repeatedly shown that accuracy is not a priority, a pattern decades in the making.